Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Opening for my garden tour. The frogs. If only they were real, they could eat those horrible worms that eat up everything, eating up all my leaves in the garden. Get on your nerves. Break my neck, y'all. All for the good of the garden. Oh, that's a good idea, though. I was trying to move the frog baby over so y'all can really see it. Oh. Then I need to pull it in or pull it out. Yeah, my frog babies. I love them so. Hopefully I can find some cute turtles. I like owls. And what else? Turtles, owls, birds. Oh yes, birds. Yes. Okay, y'all. Hope y'all are going to be enjoying this little mini tour for the garden collab families. Yeah, I'm up here talking about what they ate all the leaves off my dang flat plant. Look at this fool. You don't know. Wait a minute, move out the way. This fool don't know he about to have a lesser life because he about to be cut in half. It ate all my leaves off. These dang moths, can't stand them. Gardening, this is what you go through when you got a garden. Okay guys, I'm in one of these gardening collabs and I'm just on this balcony sharing with you guys an update also on these pepper and pea plants. I said I haven't seen any bees, so no fertilizing going on, whatever you pollinating. I guess I'm supposed to do it myself. I got more of the see if I can get it on camera. Where are you? Just seen you. Dang. There it is. Getting ready to do peppers, and then all of these, sorry for going so fast, then all of these right here are about to bloom. Now I guess I gotta do the toothpick, not the toothpick, the what do you call it, the Q-tip, yeah, and rub the flower, because I don't know where the bees are, but garden tour, a mini one anyway. The spider plant back there, bunch of them up here, got babies. There go my wisteria down there. Thumb plants, elephant plants, jades, peppers, beans, and the morning glory flowers are going to open up eventually. There's one right there. Why the camera don't see what I see? Right there. Spent. And then my little thing right there. Let me go on around because I was trying to clean up a little bit out here because we're gonna barbecue. Let's see. Look, I did a little cleaning. But yeah, on the tomato plant, I gotta pollinate myself because the bees are gone. There used to be some baby ones around here, but I don't know where they went. In this plant, I was propagating it, didn't know it could be propagated. With my little herbs back here, I gotta put some water on them, put some fertilizer. Look, rosemary, bigger. I always forget the freaking name, but y'all see the flowers. They go the leaves. Okay, so now I know I'm moving fast. Watch channel. Mama Pathos, Devil's Island, and here go be some more cosmos. And here's my nasturtium plant. Ooh. Hold up, hold up. Oh, get my leg right. Ouch. I'm all over the place, you guys. Okay, there goes a spider crawling right over. Oh, no, you didn't just come up in here. I will use my hand. Ouch. Y'all see that? I went crazy. I tried to get that damn spider. He got away. But I'm about to be doing a bunch of backing and stuff. I don't know. I'm about to break my neck. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. Oh, I didn't show y'all this plant. Hold on. This was like a Mother's Day gift. This plant here. What y'all call this plant? See how the leaves unravel? What is this? I don't know what I did with the name. That's a Mother's Day gift. But Saturday garden tour. But you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Okay, this plant like here is about to bloom something. That's one of my plants from the Dollar Tree seeds. I'm finna water it. There go my cactus back there doing okay. It's getting babies. See that? Yes, I love cactus, succulents, cacti. I love plants. I'm gonna let y'all go. Thanks for watching. Join the collab if you want. Share your gardens on Saturday, or share your gardens every single day of the week that you want to. You don't have to be in a collab. Holler at me later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time and support.